Hi, this is Pranay Dutta. Thank you arthistoryplus for making this video. And if you like the videos, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to their channel.
If one horizon generates a feeling of hope, what does two horizons make you feel? Hopeless? Welcome to this episode of Black Mirror. We are human, sentient beings. We use natural elements to compose our world. We synthesize things and call them unnatural or artificial. But maybe the urge to create something artificial is natural itself. Think about that. Like this wall that has oozed out from nature. Its moment has arrived. It's almost saying, I'm here now. I'm nature itself. Accept me. My God, this image makes me thirsty. Hey, look, there's water here. This 6 feet wide surreal image by Pranay Dutta is a technical masterpiece. It uses photography, Photoshop, printing, hand painting, Sgraffito, a technique where you erase the image by scratching on it, and repainting for a period of 3 months. Pranay does not use color in his artworks. He concentrates all his efforts on the thousands of tones of grey that he has to work with. The reason this image looks lifeless is because there is no human presence. This kind of surreal image with a mountain on a shelf in the horizon may be kept there for preservation, maybe for an unknown future, on an unknown planet maybe. It's the year 2020 and we are going through a pandemic and evaluating our case on this hopeless planet. No wonder then that artists are responding to subjects subconsciously, such as these. Do you spend most of your days living in a concrete block? Actually, when was the last time you saw the horizon? Probably in a photograph or a movie, but on a screen, right? Just like the screen you're watching this video on. This work by Pranay Dutta is titled Beneath a Steel Sky. The sky is usually a symbol of freedom. But here, it's something solid and heavy. It kind of holds you, bogs you down. Like stainless steel, opaque, cold. Look at these enormous mountains. A human figure would look so small and powerless here. But behind the mountains is an even larger wall made by those same tiny humans. It's not a competition, but there's certainly a struggle for power. The scale is mind-blowing. The concept of a separate inside and outside has been totally messed around with. Technology has altered human experience like nothing else. So many natural elements can be simply simulated. But the problem with being able to control everything is being able to control everything. We create only what we want to use. This barren world of mud and steel seems to be a warning. We are becoming more and more connected virtually. But what about reality? The artist imagines these scenes as a part of a vast city. A city that was, maybe. Imagine yourself in such a place. You see these large concrete buildings around you. Maybe you are looking out of the window from one of these structures yourself. And as the landscape changed very slowly but surely, would you even notice? Is such a world our future? Or is it the present? Please subscribe to Art History Plus for more videos like this. Please like, comment, and please share this as far as you can. Thank you.